Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD, the potential revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. Hype or reality? Investing in foreign currencies can be both exciting and risky, and the Iraqi dinar is no exception. Over the years, speculation about a possible revaluation of the dinar has gained traction, with some investors believing it could yield significant returns. But is a major increase in the currency's value realistic? Or is it just wishful thinking? Let's explore the factors that could influence the dinar's future and whether a substantial revaluation is truly on the horizon. What is currency revaluation? A revaluation occurs when a country's central bank decides to increase the official exchange rate of its currency, making it more valuable compared to others. If this were to happen to the Iraqi dinar, it would mean that a certain amount, say 1,000 dinars, would suddenly be worth more in foreign currency. This is the opposite of devaluation, where a currency loses value. Over the years, the idea of the dinar skyrocketing in value has been fueled by statements from various experts, including former central bank governor Dr. Sinan al-Shabibi. Some claim that Iraq's economy could support a much stronger exchange rate, even as high as $6 per dinar. But is this feasible? Or is it just speculation? Factors that could support a revaluation. Several economic and financial elements could contribute to a potential increase in the value of the Iraqi dinar. 1. Iraq's oil wealth. Iraq is one of the world's largest oil producers, and crude exports are the backbone of its economy. Rising oil prices could significantly boost the country's revenues, providing more financial stability and potentially strengthening the dinar. If Iraq effectively manages its oil wealth, reducing debt, investing in infrastructure, and improving public services, it could create a stronger economic foundation for a higher-valued currency. 2. Money supply and demand. Basic supply and demand principles suggest that if the number of dinars in circulation decreases, the value of each dinar could rise. The Iraqi government and central bank have taken steps to control the money supply, which could be a factor in increasing the currency's strength. However, managing this process requires precision. Too much restriction could cause economic instability, while too little could lead to inflation. 3. Economic confidence and stability. Investor confidence plays a crucial role in the value of any currency. If Iraq continues to make progress in economic reforms, attracts foreign investment, and maintains political stability, more people may be willing to hold and invest in dinars. Increased confidence could naturally push the currency's value higher. 4th, monetary reforms and financial modernization. Iraq has been working on financial reforms aimed at stabilizing and modernizing its banking system. A more efficient and transparent financial sector could attract foreign capital, leading to a stronger currency. Additionally, increased trade agreements with neighboring countries could boost economic growth, further strengthening the dinar's standing. Challenges and risks. While these factors could contribute to an improved dinar valuation, there are significant hurdles to consider. 1. Political and economic uncertainty. Iraq has experienced years of political instability, corruption, and economic mismanagement. Even with positive steps toward reform, instability remains a significant concern. Any major setbacks in governance or security could derail economic progress and reduce investor confidence. 2. External economic pressures. Global economic conditions, including shifts in oil demand, inflation, and geopolitical tensions, could impact Iraq's economy. If oil prices drop, or if Iraq faces trade restrictions, the chances of a revaluation could diminish. The reality of a sudden revaluation. Some proponents of the revaluation theory suggest a dramatic overnight increase in the dinar's value. However, central banks typically avoid sudden, extreme changes to exchange rates because they can destabilize the economy. A more gradual appreciation of the dinar is far more likely than a sudden jump to an extremely high value. Managing expectations. Investors should approach dinar speculation with caution. While there is potential for Iraq's economy to grow and for the dinar to appreciate over time, expecting an immediate and massive revaluation is unrealistic. Currency movements depend on numerous unpredictable factors, including government policies, market confidence, and global economic trends. Rather than focusing solely on the prospect of a windfall from a revaluation, investors should consider broader economic indicators. Is Iraq making real progress in strengthening its financial sector? Are international investors showing increased interest in the country? These are the questions that matter more than hype-driven predictions.